Hello everyone, welcome to my home. I live in Berlin in a small apartment from what I am used to living in India. I have built my own sweet world in this small place and I love to keep it neatly and decorated to my liking. As I'm spending more and more days in this house, new ideas are coming to me to change things up a bit. I am somebody who loves to shuffle things here and there just to bring in a fresh feel to the space. Today, I am planning to make a simple cornflakes mixture for snacking in the evenings with tea. By the way, a fun fact. I am crazy for tea, and you all might see more of that in the future. They say life is like a cup of tea. It is all about how you make it. Funny, but true, isn't it? It is said cooking is love made visible. Here in Berlin, people are not much into cooking at home, hence the small sized kitchens. I have learned to deal with this small space over time, and slowly I started to love how I set up my world around it. For me, it brings in so much happiness to be pouring from a pretty bottle of oil. Some people out there might relate with me, and some others might even think, what's the big deal? There are times when I go around looking for that specific glass jar just to store my spices, and a lot of people at that time say, you can just keep them anywhere, how does it matter? But to me, looking at those jars lined up on my kitchen shelf and using them in my cooking gives me so much bliss. Do you also feel the same? People from this country are very fit, and honestly, I feel they have very good food habits. I am, on the contrary, a true Indian who needs her morning and evening chai and something to go along with it. Since I can't give up on my habits of munching, I came up with a solution to make a cornflakes mixture. My dining table is next to this large window, and whatever I keep here seems to look even more beautiful because of the natural light beaming through the window and being reflected by the objects that I keep on it. This area gets my attention quite often. Even though we do not eat all our meals over here, I make sure that this part stays clean and pretty. I have seen that many of us use the dining table as a dumping ground for things. Sometimes even I dump things here as well. But I make sure to clean it up at the very next chance that I get. Shouldn't we all respect the place where we sit down to eat our meals?